Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MD Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video we are going to solve a new DSA problem which has already been asked by one of the most popular MNCs. You know what is Amazon? Okay, this question has been asked by Amazon. So this is one of the most popular, most interesting, most important problem for you if you are preparing for MNCs. Okay guys, without getting late, let's start the video. Okay, first in first, what you have to do, basically, just you have to come on Geeks for Geeks side. We are solving currently Geeks for Geeks problem. Okay, so you have to come on the Geeks for Geeks side. Okay, and here you have to come on the filter section. Here, difficulties level, you have to select the basic level. Okay, and in topic section, you have to select array. Okay, array. Currently we are solving the array problem. Okay, and here you will see there are lots of problem we have already solved. Okay, if you haven't watched this series, I will put the link of this playlist in description box. You can watch from there. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can comment or drop your comment in comment box. I will just try to reply. Okay guys, today we are going to solve this problem, that is elements in the range. You can see here that this question has been asked by Amazon. Okay, let's deep dive the problem statement. First of all, we will understand the problem statement, discuss the approach on whiteboard, and then we will jump to the coding part. Okay guys, let's understand the problem statement. Given an array containing positive element a and b are two numbers. Okay, we have given an array and there is a two element, that is a and b are given. Okay, defining a range. Okay, it is a and b are defining the range. A is the lower range and b is the upper range. Okay, lower limit and upper limit, you can say like that. The task is to check if the array contains all element in the given range. Okay, our task is to check if all the elements are in the range between a to b, all the elements contained in the given array. So in that situation, if all the elements contained in the array, then we have to return what? True, and otherwise we have to return false. Okay guys, here if we take the example first, here we have an array, we have given an array of length 7 and range is 2, and lower range is 2 and upper range is 5. Now we will start from the lower range, so that is 2, and we will just search in the array. Okay, 2 is present. Okay, yes, 3 is present. Let's jump on the whiteboard and we will discuss there. Okay, so what exactly is the example? Example is 1 4 5 2. 1 4 5 2. Okay, let's see what is the approach to solve this problem. Okay, we have given, okay, what we have given an array containing the element what? 1 4 5 2. Okay, 1 4 5 2, and another element, that is 1 4 5 2 7 8 3. Okay guys, 7 8 and 3. This is the given array. Okay, and our lower limit, that is a equal to 2 and b equal to what exactly? B equal to, let's see in the problem statement, that is 5. Okay, upper limit is 5. So we have to search if 2 is present in the array. Yes, 2 is present in the array here. Okay, let me just okay, change the pen. 2 is present here, and now we will search after 2. Okay, after 2, that will be 3 should be in the array. Here you can see 3 is also present, and after that what? 4 should be in the array. Yes, here you can see 4 is also present. Then after, what exactly is the upper limit, that is 5. So 5 is also present here, you can see. Okay, so in this situation, all the element between range 2 to 5 are present in the array. So in that situation, we have to return what to do. Okay guys, let's suppose if we take another example. If I take an example, that is array equal to 1, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Okay guys, and we have a range that is 4 and upper range is 7. Okay guys, you can see in that example we have a 4, that is here. Okay, 4 is present, and 7. Okay, 4, after 4 we should have 5, but there is no 5 present here in the array. In the whole array we have searched, now no 5 is present. So in that situation we have to return what? False. Okay, this was the problem statement. Now how we will solve this problem? Okay, let's discuss the approach. First in first, what we will do guys, in a step first, we will create a map, hash map. I hope you know. Sorry, it should be map. So map is basically, with the help of map we can count the element. Okay, so we will create a new map. Okay, with the help of map we can count the element. Okay, so I will count all the element like that. Okay, what exactly was the element in the first example? 1 4 5 2. Okay, 1 4 5 2. 1 is present one time, 4 is present one time, 5 is present one time in the array, and 2 is also present one time in the array, and another element, that is 7 8 3. 7 8 7 8 7 present one times. Sorry, let's remove this. Okay, 7 present one times, and 8 present one times, and at last what was the element? That is 3. Okay, so 3 present one times. Using map we can count the element. Okay, all the element in the which are in the array, we with the help of map we will count in a step first. Okay, now then after, in a step 2, in a step 2, what we will do, basically we will start from the lower limit, that is a. We have given 2. Okay, we will start from the lower limit, that is a equal to 2. We will search in the map. 2 is present. 2 is present here. Yes, 2 is present. So we will jump to the next, plus 1. That is 3. 3 is present. Yes, 3 is also present. Then we will jump to plus 1, that is equal to 4. 4 is present in the array. Yes, 4 is also present. Now we will just increase the counter, that is 4 equal to plus 1 equal to 5. 5 is present in the array. Yes, 5 is also present. Okay, so our lower limit was a equal to 2 and upper limit was 5. So all the elements which are in the range of 2 to 5 are present in the array. So we will return true, otherwise false. Okay, guys, I hope you got my point. Okay, let's jump to the coding part. We will come on the code editor, and there I will, whatever I approach the discuss, I will write the code here. Okay, first and first, what we will do, we will just create a map equals to new map. Okay, and I will traverse on the array and just set the element in the map. So I will use the for loop. You can use whatever you want. Okay, so let I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, what I will do, I will check if not map dot has what array of ith element is not present in the map, then in that situation what I will do, map dot set, what I will set the element array of I with count 1. Okay, but what if it is already present in the map, then in else block we will just set the element map dot set what array of I, but what will be the count. Okay, then I will get the count map dot get array of ith element ka count and plus 1. So guys, for now we have completed, okay, the map. Okay, so let me console dot log map. Okay, how it looks like, let's compile and run. How map looks like, you will get idea, and then we will proceed to the next. Okay, guys, let's see. Now you can see here that 1 comes 1 times, 4 comes 1 times, 5 1 times, 2 1 times, 7 1 times, 8 1 times, 3 1 times. Okay, now we have got the map. Now what I will do, basically just uh, we have to just start from the lower limit and uh, goes to the upper limit. Okay, and all the elements should be present in the map. Okay, in that situation we will return true, otherwise false. Okay, so I will use the while loop. What a is less than equals to b. Okay, till then we have to traverse and we have to search the element in the map. Okay, so for that what I will do, just I will check if not map dot has. Okay, a, if not, okay, a initial value of a, that is 2. If 2 is not present, then what I will do, return, okay, return what, false, because lower limit value is not present in the array. So we will return here what, false. Okay, after if, what I will do, if it is present, then it will goes to the next element. Okay, after that, okay, this will search 2 plus 1 equal to, that is 3. Okay, 4 5 like that. Okay, and so on and so forth. And after while loop, what I will do, just finally return true, because if there is no false, then finally it will return true, because already all the element which are in the range between uh, A to B are present in the array. So let's compile and run, and what will happen, what exactly is the our output, I will see there. Here you can see our output and expected output both are equal. So guys, let's submit. How much test case are there? I will see. And is it passing or not? I hope it should pass because our algorithm is very fantastic. Oh my god, 530 test case were there. All these test case has been passed. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you think it is helpful for you, if you believe in yourself, it is very interesting problem, okay, because this is a little bit tricky questions, okay. If you have another ideas, another way, because DSA can be solved with variety of ways, okay, multiple solution it can be. If you have any another ideas, just write the code in your code editor, just paste in the comment box, okay. uh, so that I will be very happy that you are preparing yourself, you are learning something from here, okay guys. At last, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss such types of awesome video whenever I upload. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next time with next DSA problem. Thank you very much.